Hi, hello, my name is Helen and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be unboxing my very first pair of Birkenstocks. So I've been eyeing Birks for the longest time and I don't know, I just never could justify spending over $100 on a pair of sandals, you know what I mean? So I never actually went through with buying them. But then I was like, I'm going to wear these so much in SoCal, and if you didn't know, I'm going to college in SoCal. You know, it's college, I'm gonna get lazy and I just needed a pair of shoes that I can just throw on easily. So I was just like, okay, yeah, I think I'm actually gonna get my money's worth out of it. Also, this specific colorway was out of stock for many months. So when I got a notification that they were finally back in stock, I kinda sorta basically had to buy them. Plus my friend who is probably watching this decided to chip in and pay for part of it as my grad gift, so shout out to you. But yeah, that is the story of how these bad boys ended up in my hands. So now I'm just gonna unbox these and show you guys how they look like. And of course I already kind of opened them because I wanted to see that they got the color right. That was like my biggest concern. Okay, so here they are, and when you open the box, it just looks like this. It comes wrapped in this like what is this called? Tissue paper. Wait, tissue paper. Yeah, tissue paper. It comes in this tissue paper, and yeah, so I'm just gonna show you how the shoes look like. Okay, so here they are. They're the shoot, I don't even know what style this is. I ordered the Arizona Birkenstock. This is the specific colorway that I ordered. They're super nice and they feel really sturdy. I'm just super excited to break these in. Right off the bat, I'm really impressed by how they feel and how they look like. They look exactly as I pictured them to look, and the color is spot on, so I'm super happy about that. I'm only going to hold one and describe it to you guys because it's a lot easier. But if you're not familiar with the structure of Birkenstocks, Birkenstocks actually have an arched footbed that's supposed to support the natural arch of your feet. It also has molds for your toes and your heel, and they basically help you grip onto the shoes, and it's just for extra support. The style that I ordered has 2 adjustable straps, and what I like to do is make this first strap a bit tighter than the second strap because the first strap allows your feet to be tightly secured into the shoe, and the second strap just allows your feet for some room to move when you're walking. So yeah, that about covers the basic structure of Birkenstocks. Okay, so next, for those who don't know, Birkenstocks actually come in 2 different widths, regular and narrow. The sizing chart is online, so you can just search it up and use it to measure your feet to see which width fits you best. I got them in a regular because I wanted to have extra room for when I wear fuzzy socks with them in like the winter when it gets colder. It's just my thing, but it's really up to personal preference. Another thing is that you need to break these in first. They're really hard and stiff when they're new, so your feet's not gonna like you very much if you decide to walk or hike in these for a very long period of time. But after you break these in, people swear that they're the most comfortable things ever, so that's what really sold me. I'm all about being comfortable. I mean, you saw how many hoodies I own, and if you haven't, I'll link the video right here. Go check it out. Okay, so now I'm going to move on to care. So Birkenstocks, specifically the ones made out of this cork footbed, are easily damaged by water. So if you want to keep your Birks for longer, don't get them wet. Another thing is that they're susceptible to sunlight and heat. Way to go, Birkenstocks. Natural selection really has it out for you. But also, if I was a shoe, I'd be these. Basically, Birks shrink in the sun, so if you leave them out for too long, they will shrink. But don't worry, if they do shrink a little bit, they do somewhat go back to their normal size, depending on how often they're exposed to more heat and sunlight. So there's that. Anyways, I think I covered what I needed to cover, so as always, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video or you like me, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys!